to express z parameters in terms of y parameters. So write h parameter equations v1 and I2. Okay, v1 input side voltage, output side current. So that's why it's called as hybrid. One variable from input, another variable from the output side. So that's why it's called as hybrid. That is expressed in terms of input current and output voltages. So parameters are h11, h12, h21 and h22. We have to express in terms of y. So y parameters are I1 and I2 are expressed in terms of v1 and v2. So parameters are y11, y12, y21 and y22. Compare equation number 1 and 3. Compare equation number 1 and 3. v1, v1, v1 is there. Okay, I1, I1 is there. v2, v2 is there. So all the three variables v1, I1, v2 is also present in equation number 3. So rewrite the equation number 3. Rewrite the equation number 3 so that it is expressed in terms of v1. So v1 should come in the left side. So write y11 v1. Okay, y11 v1. This term you bring it to left side. So I1 minus y12 v2. I1 minus y12 v2. Okay. Now v1 only we want. We want only v1. So divide throughout by y11. So 1 by y11 I1, y12 by y11 v2. So compare equation number 5 with 1. Coefficient of I1 is h11. So h11 can be written as 1 by y1 and h12 can be written as minus y12 by y1. So we are expressing hybrid parameters in terms of y parameters. So y1 h11 is given by 1 by y11 and h12 is given by minus y12 by y11. If you already know y parameters values, with the use of these formulas, conversion formulas, you can find h parameters directly. So now compare equation number 2 and 4. Compare equation number 2 and 4. I2 is there. V1, here V2 is there, here V1 is there. Sorry, V2 is here. Here also V2 is there. Here I1 is there, here V1 is there. So V1 is there instead of I1. So what you have to do is you have to express this I1 value, no? Sorry, which one you are saying? You have to for equation number 4, this V1 value, this V1 value from equation number 5, you substitute the value of V1 here, y21 multiplied by this full thing. Y21 multiplied by this full thing is actually V1 we got. So now multiply y21 by y11 into I1. Here V2 is there, here also V2 is there. So you have to combine and you will get to something into V2. So y21, this y21 will come. Y21, y12 minus is actually, this is minus. Then this y22, first you have to write positive y22 and this one you have to subtract y21, y1. Now take denominator here 1, LCM is y11. After that y11, y22 minus y12, y21. This is nothing but y11, y22 minus y12, it is delta y. Okay, delta y matrix determinant, original y matrix determinant value. This is, we can write as delta y by y11. After that, you compare equation number this with second equation, you will get another two variables. So y21, y11 plus I1 delta y by y11. So compare equation 6, compare equation number 6 where I1 and I2 are expressed in terms of I1 and I2. This is y21, h21. H21 is equal to, okay, h21 is equal to y21 by y11. H22 is equal to delta y by y11. So this is very easy. You can practice all other conversion. If you know the method technique, you can easily find any conversion. But thing is, you should remember this. If you make any mistake here, okay, you practice at least on 10 times. You have to write this and practice. Only for equation. This is, you are not going to make any mistake. V1 and V2 are expressed in terms of I1, I2. You are not going to make any mistakes. I1, I2 are expressed in terms of V1, I2. This also you are not going to make any mistakes. In T parameters, both are input side variables, V1 and I1. both belongs to input side. They are expressed in terms of V2, I2. Here also, which one you have to write first? First, you have to write voltage. Okay. V1, first you have to write voltage, then I1. Here also, V2 and minus I2. Only for T parameters, minus will come, minus I2. Parameters are A, B, C, D. And in the H parameters, hybrid, input side voltage, output side current. Input side voltage, output side current are expressed in terms of, okay, input current and output side voltage. So V1 and I2 are expressed in terms of I1 and V2. So first write V1, I2, I1, V2. So if you make any mistake here, all other conversions are wrong. So be careful. So easily you can get 8 to 10 marks in the exam. Thank you.